Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to Fast Fluency English Learning Center. Dear viewers, we shall discuss today Pegasus virus. This is the talk of the world. And our representative today, Abdullah Al Mujahid, student of Fast Fluency English Learning Center and Nibras Madrasa, class 8. Now I request to represent his topic.
Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss about Pegasus virus. Nowadays we know that Pegasus virus is one of the most talkative subjects in the world. We know there are two sides of ICT. There is a good side and there is a bad side. And Pegasus virus is from the good side, but nowadays some people or the government are using it on the bad side. Firstly, we introduced with this Pegasus virus. The Pegasus name has taken from the Greek mythology character, a white horse with two wings. The virus has made on Israel by NSO company. It has first made on 2016. Then the Israel already has sold it to 45 countries, more than 15,000 mobile it has used. Then what can it do? We know that Pegasus spyware is like a malware virus. It can take all of your information from your mobile and it will send to its owner or the owner of the virus. Then they can check your messages, they can check your contact list, or they can call somebody without knowing you. And they can also hack your fingerprint and they can use it in different sectors. Then who or whom are using this virus? Firstly, this virus has made to track the mafia gang, terrorists, etc. And we have also an example like that in Mexico. The mafia leader El Chapo has arrested by using this virus. But first of all, it was good. But nowadays, some people or the government are using this virus to the influential people for blackmailing them, or the journalist, activist, academics, or the leader of some countries. As we see that the Guardian and the Washington Post has also published a report that the Emmanuel Macron's phone has also hacked and the Imran Khan phone also hacked, and by this the India has gained a lot of information by hacking Imran Khan phone. And Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, and some of the Middle East and the Western countries are also in this list. Mostly they are hacking or tracking those people mobile whom are against of them, whom are not with them. Then how we will understand, dear viewers? At first, if you think your mobile isn't work finely, or your mobile fast is decreased so fastly, then you have to be conscious and you should check up your mobile and you should change your mobile, or another way they will hack your all of information. Then what should we do? There is nothing to do for us, because if they get our number, they can easily hack our phone. The main thing, our government can take some step on it, but they are not taking. That's why we all have to be conscious and aware of this virus. If you think there is something wrong with our phone, we should change our phone. And thank you everyone. And if there is some thought of you can suggest us on this comment box. Thank you all.